Okay, this thing is like shutting down my microphone and stuff. Half the stuff is not saying. Maybe you're gonna get Trevor, you know what I'm saying? Talk to you in Russian or something. But anyways, so I'm playing. Look. 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 It's not recording, so I'm not gonna play myself. I'm gonna play myself. Tic-tac-toe. So this is like kind of like small, so I gotta put the big one. Go back to start. So anyways. So playing myself. So myself. So that was a spread this one. No, it doesn't matter. Okay, move back. So go back to start. Put it like here. Go to start. So this is a move back because it's gonna end up being a lose. So go back to start if you want, not primer. So if you want to go back to start, go back to start. So anyways, so I'm gonna put all these big ones in here. To move back, I'll like enlarge it. Move back, so I'll enlarge and move back. So move back, I'll enlarge it and move back. So it's gonna be enlarged. It's gonna eventually be go back to start if you want to go back to start from there. So anyways, me playing myself and pawn checkers. But so anyways, this one I already enlarged this one. So go to start. I'm gonna go to start. So we're gonna move. So this is me playing against myself. Anyways, there's that email address, contact address for the commercials for me to coordinate. But coordinate. If you don't think I can't pronounce a big word or something. So I can coordinate a commercial in here in my tic-tac-toe agent. You know what I'm saying? The contact. The email address, contact address is right there. But it's because it doesn't work on my phone, you know what I'm saying? Like a little bit works on my mom's phone. It doesn't at all work on this phone. But